Getting too many message notifications from one conversation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mute conversations in Google Messages for web. You'll learn how to silence notifications for individual chats without deleting the conversation or blocking the contact. First, make sure your Android phone is paired with Google Messages for web. Then open the website in your browser and wait for your conversations to sync. Browse your message list and open the conversation you'd like to mute. This works well for busy group chats or contacts that send frequent messages. Click the More Options menu near the top of the conversation. Depending on the available features, look for notification or conversation settings related to muting alerts. If the mute option is available, select it and confirm your choice if prompted. Future messages from that conversation will still appear in your inbox, but notification alerts will be silenced. If you decide you want notifications again, return to the same conversation settings and choose the option to unmute or re-enable notifications, so the conversation will begin sending alerts again. Muting conversations is a simple way to reduce distractions while keeping important chats available. You can still read every message whenever it's convenient without being interrupted by constant alerts. And that's how to mute conversations in Google Messages for web. It's an easy way to stay focused while keeping your conversations accessible whenever you need them. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology guides, and thanks for watching.